How to send images as document on Telegram. So if you want to send or forward an image to a Telegram chat so that the image will retain its qualities, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to send images or photos or pictures as documents on Telegram, what you just need to do is go ahead and open the Telegram app, open the chat where you want to send the photos or images as document, and then click on this clip icon at the bottom left. Then here, come here and select files. Now once you selected files, go ahead and click on select from gallery. Here you're gonna see all images or photos you have on your phone. You can come here, click on album or gallery to access all the photos on your phone. So just go select the image you want to send on your phone, just like this. Then you can add the caption. You're gonna see the image size here and then the format. You can see I have JPEG. If you click on this, this is going to return to the previous page. Then you can also select multiple images by checking on the images just like this. You see that I have 4 images selected. So go ahead and select the number of images you want to send as document. Then click on send. Then this is going to be sent as document instead of sending this image as JPEG or as files. So you see that? So just select files and then follow the prompt, select the image, and then you're good to go. So that is basically how to send images or photos as documents on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.